Welcome to our exciting new challenge. Guess the mystery item. We have an awesome challenge lined up for you. Are you ready to put on your detective hats and start guessing? Can you guess what it is? It's something you use every day. Is it a toothbrush? Or maybe a hairbrush? Let's reveal the mystery item. It's a toothbrush. That's right. It's a toothbrush. Good job. Let's move on to the next mystery item. Okay, kids, here's your next challenge. This mystery item is something you can eat. It's crunchy and comes in different flavors. What do you think it is? Is it chips? No, it's popcorn. Let's see if you're right. It's a popcorn. Absolutely, it's popcorn. Okay, kids, here's your next challenge. I think it's a toy car. Maybe it's a fluffy teddy bear. Let's see if you're right. The mystery item, it's a toy car. Now onto the next mystery item. I'm pretty sure it's a yummy chocolate bar. Or could it be a colorful puzzle? Let's find out together. It's a delicious chocolate bar. Wait, there's more mystery ahead. I think it's something you wear, like a hat. No, it must be a pair of cool sunglasses. Time to uncover the final mystery item. It's a stylish pair of sunglasses. Here's your final challenge. This mystery item is soft, fluffy. And you might find it on your bed. What could it be? Is it a pillow? I think it's a blanket. Let's uncover the last mystery item. It's a blanket. You all did an amazing job. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun challenges like this one. Stay tuned for more fun challenges.